And today, Colton and I are going to be showing you this puzzle made by Jiggybox. It's a little dinosaur puzzle. It's 66 pieces, and we're going to build it for you so you can see exactly what you're going to get. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah!
All right, let's build it. Let's point the camera down. All right, let's see what's inside.
I hope it's going to be a T-Rex.
Ooh, look at these pieces, dude.
I think it's going to be a big one.
Ooh, this is going to take forever.
Look, it's one of your favorite animals.
Yeah, look, you get a couple dinosaurs to go on the puzzle. How cool is that?
Upside down. You want the camera? Oh, yeah. Can you do it?
Yay! Good job. So we got the puzzle put together. You can see it's super cute. It's a T-Rex with a whole bunch of dinosaur and jungle and water scenes on it. What do you think, Colty?
Cool!
Do you like it?
Yeah! It matches on this!
That's right. It does give you a picture to help you put it together. But it's a super fun activity for you to do with your little ones. And it's not too bad. It's very colorful, very bright. Going to help build those skills and problem solving skills, right? So what do you think? 1 to 10.
Beautiful!
Beautiful.
So 475.
400 out of awesome. So we hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.